I'm making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Sorry, I didn't like the baby. Cunt of a day out there.
It's not great.
We're zoomed in, we're unsent thing and all that. I'm blaming Craig.
You were last on it.
I'm gonna blame Craig. Do you remember Craig, do you?
Yeah, that's the young lad, isn't it? He used to work here. You're a young lad. My nephew.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do remember him.
He's the fella. Remember the last episode we were talking about he was robbed, yeah?
Yeah.
We're allowed to say it now, aren't we?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, well, I suppose so, yeah, because... Suck him. They're very nice, aren't they?
Dogs.
They're gorgeous. Yeah, the Craig has gone to work for the boys. And...
Man, Craig.
So, well, he's still here in spirit, hey. But David, anyway. Right. See this new game we played? Here, show the people how you play it.
How do you play it?
It's hopscotch. Hey, show them, yeah?
How do you play hopscotch?
Just, you know how to do. Stop playing thing in front of the camera now. What a beauty.
I think I'm at a fucking dislocate my hip right now, but I'm fucking...
That's David, okay, right? People won't understand, okay, right? You're gonna stand here, right? So, I'm gonna be like standing on this like that. You standing there.
No, I could be like this.
You be like that on a seat.
Yeah.
I'll be like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, what will you be like?
No, I'd be like that.
Yeah. and I might even be like this, yeah? Oh, Jesus. I might even be like that. Is this the roof rack on top of that? Huh? So she gonna go up there. And David, the next few clips, this is a Campervan one, this is.
Right.
Right, so
we might be in this one.
oh yeah, we're gonna be in this one now, yeah? Well, there's like this is gonna be a busy one now.
Why?
Because there's a car that hasn't been around in a while as well. We just discussed it. The X5M.
Oh, I was gonna say, what car? That's a G.
Right.
An
So
SUV.
the X5, right, hey, she went off. It was the middle of November, wasn't it?
Yeah.
4 months ago. Almost 4 months ago. Almost 4 months ago. She went off. And we sent her off to get tuned up, right, yeah? Right? To try and get her to over 700 horsepower.
Yeah.
But little did we know that there was a lot of issues with it, yeah?
Little did we know she was fucked.
Yeah. So she's after getting new turbos, what are those little square things in front of the turbo?
The charge coolers.
Charge coolers, it was...
There was a coolant leak in as well, I think, wasn't there?
Yeah. So when we sent her down to try and get 700, yeah? But I was told that, yeah? She could be over 750! And ready to blow again, huh? No, the engine never went in it, hey.
To be fair though, like you need 750 horsepower and you're pulling diggers and 2 ton of stone.
Yeah, fucking sure, yeah, the shit the pressure I'll be putting that thing under. Anyway, where are we? Let's get back to this, right? So, this is going off to Jay's. I don't want to spend too much time in the shed. People will be like, what are they at in the shed all the time?
It's what we do.
Yeah. But, right, just the stories. Boom, roof, we're going to finish that tomorrow. Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow or Saturday we're collecting Jeep. And hopefully, right, if those dyno readings are correct, right, she's one of the most powerful yoke in the land.
Wouldn't be fucking far off.
Yeah. Can't wait to get it back. It's like if we look at a new car. But David, I think that's all for this clip. Tomorrow, yeah, we're gonna have a night off tonight, yeah.
Oh, lovely.
So I'm gonna give myself a night off, sorry. So tomorrow we're gonna finish out this bad boy, and this is when it gets exciting.
Gee, tomorrow we might have her working it all, won't we?
Well, with my plans in my head, David, yeah, she will be working tomorrow. Anyway, we'll check back in tomorrow, yeah. Next day.
Day 2.
Flat out. Just want to give her a demonstration of it out.
Where's the key? Where's the button?
Oh yeah. Oh no, that's tomorrow's.
That's day 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
There you go, nice and gently.
We'll do it as if the thing is still on it.
Oh.
The creaks are extra.
Look at that. So, what way are you going to be? I'll hold this now.
I'll probably like this. I'll probably be taking a swig of my drink, probably straight vodka or fucking Russian something, and it'll be like that, and I'll fall over the side.
She's alright, hasn't she?
But actually, we have to be drink aware as well, though.
Oh,
always drink responsibly.
Always. Especially when you're on a roof rack, 12 feet off the ground. Huh? No, David, you always drink responsibly, right? Because, David, I think I'm a bit buzzy here, aren't I?
Oh, Oh, people go mad.
Right, like that.
People are going to piss off watching it because of you having a sub fuzzy all the time.
Right, like that. Have you? No. Yeah, you have to drink responsibly. Otherwise you'll fall down the stairs all the way down onto the ground. Like, ah. Sure, be funny, wouldn't it? Hey.
If we had the camera gone, it'd be funny.
Very funny. Right, so this is phase 2. This is next, okay? So, word back. We got word back about the X5.
Yeah.
We're not collecting it today or tomorrow.
No.
But, Monday, the words of the man were, what way do you want it? Remember,
he said, remember we said, well, the whole reason dropped down was from Pops and Bangs. Jeez, that's actually a grand seat like that.
yeah.
We went to Pops and Bangs, and he said himself, now, I don't do retarded Pops and Bangs myself, but how aggressive do you want them? And you did say that normal when the valve isn't open, so when you're not in M mode,
Yeah.
you're just driving casually,
Yeah.
and then you put it into M mode then and it's a bit aggressive.
Very aggressive. He's not an aggressive. He says, that's not his style, but whatever the customer requests. Right? Yeah. So, that's part of that. This is part of this. Now, the next mission is Rams.
Everyone loves a good ram.
Yeah. Including yourself, David, huh? Can't believe we didn't show them. We didn't show the camper fans what we've just figured out.
Yeah.
So not only is that our deck from there, there to there.
Bring me up on it like this.
We actually can make her from there to there. Where's your finger at? Oh, there she is. Geez, she's wide.
That'll be a right side. Now, if we are doing this, obviously the tickets will be limited.
Yeah.
Onto the
yeah.
transit penthouse.
But David, the only thing is, right, we have to remember to put them back up before we left the show.
If we be driving on the M50, we don't take off like an airplane. Oh, no, I won't because it's slow as fuck.
I'm going to put the camera down, David. I'm sad.
Why?
Because we're still missing someone.
Yeah.
He's up to his eyeballs, do you think?
Thinking of you, Prego.
Yeah, we are thinking of you, pal.
We're going to wreck our head all weekend and drink against bash.
We're going to wreck your head to get our video edited. Hey. Right, Dave. That's it. Tomorrow morning, Rams.
Right for now, but not forever.
That's what I like to hear. Right, Dave. Right, that's the camera's off.
Break it up.
Jesus, fucking soon right in there. I would have got another bollocking. Right, so here we go. This is it, huh?
Now, you know the way we do this is for startups, and they're not actually for startups.
Yeah.
This is literally the very first time we've done this.
This is it.
You ready?
So this a guess. Oh, David!
Well, she's working anyway.
He's coming in. Slowly but surely. Well, it's taking the weight of it anyway.
Yeah. Anthony Sells was holding it in.
Yeah, so we have our temporary. We only have temporary cell hours.
They'll be there forever.
So, yeah. So we just don't know whether that bit needs to go this way or that way.
Oh, that ain't gonna work.
Oh, it's coming to the end. So that would mean that then that needs to go out further. Oh, it can't.
Can't really.
Oh!
No, it's catching on itself there.
Right, son. But David, we're not far off of it, that
Fucking not far off.
Here. I'm gonna put this down for a second. I'm gonna get a longer screw for you, okay? Right?
Yeah.
Right.
Bolt. A nut this side close to this,
Yeah.
and a nut this side.
But
And then just leave the thread bit.
But that bar on that side has to come down. So that'll be in the way. So maybe we need to turn it upside down. So the thing at the top is underneath it.
The whole centre is still the same.
Yeah. Dave, is this one of these
Tutorials.
tutorials, huh?
And we're actually talking sense today, in fairness to us.
Because there's not an other person on the planet that's going to try this, like, huh?
No.
Or maybe we'll mass produce them.
Bollocks.
But let's get a few washers. And that's right. Our mission now is, right? We are about to leave and go home. It's a Friday night, yeah? Yeah? Will we stay an extra 10 minutes and see if we get it right?
I think we might as well.
We might as well, so we're nearly there. Right, I'm gonna get the washers.
What washers? We need bowls.
Okay, you go and get everything and I'll wait here for you. Right there. This is the moment of truth. We only have our Gunther together now, okay? Has even got the power to lift it.
No, that's just bending the bolt here.
Okay. Right, so.
You have a design flaw.
Design flaw, right? Okay, right, so.
Shit.
Oh, but hold on. Do you know what? She has to
have
lift.
to have a bit of a lift on it.
Yeah. Oh, that bolt's fucked in.
Give her a bit of a lift there anyway, just to help it start.
Right.
Right now, let's open. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Oh, out of that.
You know, with stronger bowls and all, it'd be better. Like, you know.
Yeah.
Whenever we are out, just give it a little lift.
But at least we know, David, yeah, that it's the rams are strong enough to lift it.
Yeah. And in fairness, like that's strong enough considering like that's taking the weight of fucking 14 foot.
Yeah. It is, yeah. The length of it.
See like a man, you ever see a man on Instagram that makes all the mad shit?
He's on YouTube as well.
Yeah.
He has a basement under his house.
Yeah. I feel like him today.
Look at me like him as well. I can use a check shirt. Fine, I'll have to do that. There you're back now. You're a bit blurry there for a second.
I'm gonna keep going till it stops, yeah?
No, is it too much? Go back. Whoa. That is the job. Huh? Is she sturdy?
Well, it's up on things, so it'll be hard to tell.
Yeah.
She's fucking solid enough.
Yeah, and
I
John.
was just on the balls a bit of wobble,
Yeah.
but like that's fucking.
Right there. John, that's enough for today. A few strong bowls now, and we will definitely make that work tomorrow.
So I think we make a bit of a bracket.
Like they'll come out and catch that rather than just relying on the balls.
Yeah. And we need to find a way that, so just to get the first 10 mil started, there's pressure on it.
If we moved one of them so that it wasn't actually fully closed.
Yeah.
So when we actually close them, we had to clip them closed.
Yeah.
So you take the clips off and they're already open a bit.
Yeah. Well, David, look, that's a wrap for today.
Yeah.
Right, we'll be back tomorrow.
Right. Goodbye again.
Good morning, David.
Good morning, Darren.
Another day.
Another $1.
So we spent 20 minutes of this now. People are paying their whole looking at it, yeah? But look at, right, this is it, 20 minutes. So this is the real moment. This is the moment truth.
This is the decider. We've modified her a bit better here and all.
Yeah.
Changed a few positions here and there.
Right, David, give it to her.
We are ready.
What's wrong with that?
Oh, the whole thing is lifting.
What?
We will have to fucking put another bolt in it.
Oh, down
Draw
there.
that fucking camera from it.
Right, camera's off. You have to go back to the drawing board, eh? And take 2. Go. Oh, David, come on. We're meant to be professionals at all this shit. Done.
Jesus, she's solid as well.
Well, she's solid because the motor's had to nearly burn itself out there.
Yeah, I stopped it there, but I started to panic a little bit. Now this is the real test.
Oh, did it lift it?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Off she goes. Jeez, it looks like it's going up quicker.
It does, isn't it?
David, that is what you call a bit of engineering.
That is engineering, that is fine.
Well, I'm going to put this down there where the people will probably have to turn it off. They haven't seen this bit, right, Harry? But we definitely will. We'll put it up on the roof now when we're done. And we'll have the whole thing going.
Yeah.
Probably be another 2 days before we get to it. But anyway, we'll be back. Right, it's moment true, David.
Are you ready?
Roll her there. Oh, sorry, the fucking zoomed in again there. So, that was a failure, our little... What did we try and do that time? A time lapse?
We tried to do a time lapse of it, yeah, and it malfunctioned on us.
Yeah, because the memory card is full of Craig's car. Sorry, Craig, we deleted some of your stuff. There she is. Do you know what? I said it already to you, and I'll say it again right now, yeah? Reminds me, all we need to do is get 40 rolls, yeah, of 100mm insulation, attic insulation, 4 of them top, and we just look like the boys going around insulating attics.
Like workers.
Here, David, hit her there now while you have this in the hand. We might as well see her going down. I wonder if can we speed it up? Hey?
To be honest.
Oh, David, she's going up.
Oh.
No, that doesn't matter because it's loud.
I don't think it'll matter about time, because by the time we start to let it up,
Yeah.
we'll go into the fridge, grab a bottle or a can.
Yeah.
But when we crack it open, we'll take the first up and be up.
Why is that roof rack all shrink related?
Right.
Oh yeah. Oh, we well, we didn't build it to sit up there and read books anyway.
No.
Ah, it's funny. Yeah, well, hey, what? Some engineering got into that.
It was.
Well, they did down it takes 56 seconds for it to go up. So, you know,
I guess it's the same to go down then as well.
I'd say so. We should really put one down on the vehicle. Pretty cool, isn't it? Look at the mini one. Well, they're like you and me, yeah. One of them's really quick, one of them's slow.
I'm obviously the quick one.
Yeah. Right, David, that is a wrap for the rack. That's a wrap for the rack. Huh?
Yeah, I think we've done enough on the rack.
Yeah.
I think it was just more the excitement for us, you know.
Dave, I think we can. I think we've a few more little bits and pieces to do for the but I think we're going to call this new YouTube clip.
Huh?
This whole thing we're doing.
What?
This is it. This is just a roof rack one, is it? Or will we show a bit more?